garden series. This is the first episode of season 2022. It's this time of the year again, spring, so we're doing our spring planting. I'm planting potatoes today, and I'm also tanning while working in the garden. But before I go outside, I just want to show you what we're doing here. We have a lot of things planted, and we're using a couple of our bedrooms as greenhouses. And here's what's going on in a second bedroom here. And this is downstairs in our kitchen. Even here we have some tomatoes. So we have lots of tomatoes again this year. We end up planting them in bigger pots, and eventually we'll take them outside. I do keep them in pots so I can bring them in if the weather gets colder. This kind of allows me to have a little bit longer growing season because the growing season here in Calgary is pretty short. So here are the instructions. You're supposed to be planting them with the sprouts facing up, and they're supposed to be in trenches 6 inches wide, approximately 8 to 12 inches apart, and covered by 3 inches of soil. Pussycat. So this bag here is Yukon Gold, and here's the other. That's basically same instructions. We bought these from Walmart. And these are called russet. Kitty. So here it is before burying them. Just make sure that the growth is on top. Throw some compost on top of them now after they're in the ground. First, I'm gonna put over here. Now we're gonna water with this. I'm done with the potatoes. Today, by the way, is April 30th. It did get to like 19 degrees at some point. It is colder now. It got cloudy. It might rain, although I can see that the sun is coming back out. But I'm done with the potatoes. So good there. Hopefully we get more potatoes this year. Last year we got like 8 kilos. And this time I'm planting twice the amount, as you can see. And there was like the old area where I planted the potatoes. It was a little bit easier to dig because the soil was loose there. I guess the potatoes did loosen it. The other side it wasn't so easy. But I loosened it as much as I could. So hopefully next year will be a little bit easier. But this is it for the potatoes. Hey, like and subscribe. Very much appreciated. And don't forget the notification button that would notify you every time we upload some videos like this one.